Hello, it's me, Poppy Lover 2001, again. Well, I'm getting ready to leave. This is my last week of JRI. And here's my entire fire alarm collection for the end of 2024. Yeah, so got a lot of cool devices. Try to remember all the model numbers because I have a lot of stuff here. So I guess I'll start at the top with these two simplex horns. Right here is a simplex 4040, right, this one, and a 4050 right here. Yeah, one of my friends from JRI is in love with these two alarms. I guess I'll leave them like that. And on this shelf is all my Wheelock stuff. I have Yeah, somebody was right there, but back to where I was. I have a Wheelock 7002T and a 7004T. Along with that, I have a Wheelock 31T-115 and a 34T-12. I'm hoping to replace it with a 24-volt version. And I have a Wheelock pulse station. This is I forget the model number, but it's a T-bar. So it looks like this when it's pulled. And there's a key inside. Do like this. Flip that up. And then you lock it. And there it's reset. Behind all that, the horns are strobes. I have a WS-115 and a WS-115, which I'm actually going to be adding onto the 31D-115. I got a lot of telephones. I'm going to be bringing those to Orlando. Right here, I got a Simplex 2901-9806, a Simplex 2902, I forget the rest of it, but it's a chime. Yeah, there we go. And this is what is it? Yeah. A Simplex 2901-9553. It's basically the AC version of the 2901-9838. I'll put that right here. I'll leave it like that. Let's see. Oh, I have two Edwards pulse stations. One is non-coded and one is coded. I can't pull the non-coded pulse station because I don't have a screwdriver for it, but I can at least pull the coded version. So yeah, it goes like that. And lastly, I have two more. I have an Amsico BZ54VT. This is the weirdest fire alarm I've ever heard. Plus, I don't like the sound of it. And also, this alarm was featured on another video I had when the Amsico BZ54VT takes a dump. Yeah, it's abandoned now. That video's no longer, like, I don't know. But at least it's still on YouTube. And finally, I have a Simplex 2902-9739, Yep, it's the speaker with, it looks like a 2903, but it has the speaker. But there is something I don't like about this. I don't like the strobe. I really hate the strobe version. Yeah, and I want to have a light replacing it. Because I want to see if I can actually code this to March time, code 3, code 4-4. Yeah. So that's all my fire alarms. If you would like to see more about these alarms, please contact me at cypitman41@gmail.com. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.